Today we have to go for the practice session about the polynomials. We have done some basic questions and we have understand that about the factor theorem as well as the remainder theorem. And we also understand that how we are just going to be using the polynomial division. We are doing the factorization of the polynomials. Let's do some different type of questions. We are just going to be starting from question number 20. We have f of x is equal to 6x cubed minus 19x squared plus 11x plus 6. We have to be sure that f of x is equal to 2x minus 3 into ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are the constants to be found. All right, it has two methods. The one you have to be itself, you have to understand that you have to multiply the x value with the x value, it will become x cubed. So 2 multiplied by a will be equal to 6. So you will get that a will be equal to 3. But I'm not going to be recommend you this one because normally the students are going to do a lot of mistakes while doing these type of questions. I just recommend you have to do the division that you already know very well. It takes a little bit more time, but you will get the right answer. So we are dividing by 2x minus 3. So the same procedure, you have to take the first value, that is 6x cubed divided by 2x. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 will be cancelled out. It will be 3x squared. Now 2 multiplied by 3, it will be 6. X multiplied by x squared, it will be x cubed. Minus 3 times 3 is 9x squared. Now this value will be cancelled out. You have minus 19 plus 9, it will be minus 10x squared. Yes, anyone having a question till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now again you have minus 10 divided by 2, it is minus 2 times 5 is 10 and 1x is cancelled out. Obviously, if you have a practice, so there is no need to do the ref work, you can do it directly. 2 times 5 is minus 10x squared. Minus 3 times 5 is minus 10 minus 5. 3 times 5 is 3 times 5 is 15 plus 15x. Change the sign. This is cancel out. We have 11 minus 15. It will be minus 4x plus 6. Now minus 4x divided by 2x, it will be minus 2. So 2x multiplied by minus 2, it will be minus 4x. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 minus plus 6. Now change the sign. So look at here, you will get the quadratic part. So we will get that f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. That would be multiplied by 3x here minus 5x minus 2. Now in the next part he says that you have to factorize completely. We already factorize it, but the quadratic part is still possible to factorize them. So we are going to do the midterm breaking here. For the midterm breaking, we have to multiply the constant value with the coefficient of x here. So minus 2 multiplied by 3, it will be minus 6. So the all possible pairs are 1 multiplied by 6, 2 multiplied by 3 will be 6. So we have negative sign, so bigger term is negative, smaller term is positive. Yes, which is a suitable pair? Anyone?
1 and 6.
Okay. Yes, it will be 3x squared plus x minus 6x minus 2. So I'm going to get 2x minus 3 into x is common, you will get 3x plus 1 minus 2 is common, you will get 3x plus 1. So the final answer is 2x minus 3. In these two values, we have 3x plus 1 is common and x minus 2 is going to be inside the bracket. So look at here, we have to be, this is a given polynomial. We have to be factorize it step by step. Now it is completely factorized, we cannot factorize more. Next, we have a C part. He says that write down all the real roots of the equation if f of x is equal to 0. Okay, if you have, this is the f of x, and he says that this is equal to 0, So always remember, if the product of two or more than two terms is equal to 0, so it means that the maybe the fact plus first factor will be 0, or maybe the second factor will be 0, or maybe the third factor will be 0. Because in multiplication, for example, if you have three numbers are multiplying, in multiplication, the answer is going to become 0. So it may be this value will be 0. If it is something else, so it may be this is 0, or it may be this is 0. All right. Because otherwise, in multiplication, you will never be get the answer will be 0. So that's why we have to take the all possibilities from here. I'm going to be get minus 3 will become plus 3. So 3 over 2. It is plus 1 on the side will be minus 1. So it will be minus 1 over 3. It is minus 2 on the other side will be plus 2. So I'm just going to be get the three roots. X is equal to 3 over 2. X is equal to minus 1 over 3. X is equal to 2. Yes, everyone. Any question till here?
No, sir.
Yes, Aisha, Ishal, Vijay Khuram, Anuj.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
All right. The next question, he says that we have f of x is equal to 4x cubed minus 7x minus 3. Use the factor theorem to show that 2x plus 1 is a factor of f of x. Okay, it is a factor, so I'm just going to be take it equal to 0. So I'm going to be get the value minus 1 over 2. He clearly says that you have to use the factor theorem. So we will not go for the division. Okay, because we have two methods to show that it is a factor. One, we have to do the complete division and we will get the remainder 0. Or the second option, we have to use the factor theorem. And by using the factor theorem, we have to show that the remainder is 0. So that shows that it is a factor of the polynomial. So let's substitute it. We have minus 1 over 2 plus 4 minus 1 by 2 whole cube minus 7 minus 1 over 2 minus 3. Yes, everyone. What is the final answer?
Zero.
You are finding or you are just directly to me?
Predicting, sir.
Ah. Yes, it is 0, but you have to check it with your calculator.
1 second, I'll check it. 1 second. Yes, sir. 0.
So f of minus 1 over 2 is 0, means 2x plus 1 is factor of f of x. Now, we have a next one. He says that factorize f of x completely. Okay, we need to be factorize them. So again, we have two options. I told you the one you have to guess them, or the second one
Okay.
you have to do the with the complete division. I have to go with the complete division. So I have 4x cubed, 4x cubed minus, there is no x square term. So what I will write? Anyone? If there
0
is no
x
x,
square.
yes, 0x square minus 7x minus 3. And I'm dividing this value by 2x plus 1. So let's divide them. We have 4x cubed divided by 2x. So 2 times 2 is 4. 1 power will be cancelled out. You will get 2x square. So 2 times 2 is 4. X multiplied by x square, it will be x cube. 1 multiplied by 2x, it will be plus 2x square. Now change the sign. This value will be cancelled out. You will get minus 2x square minus 2x square minus 7x. All right, Aisha, from which number I have to multiply, you will get minus 2x square.
With minus 2x.
You have minus 2x square divided by 2x. What you will get?
Minus 2x.
minus x, 2 will be cancelled out.
Oh, okay.
It will be only minus x. So it will be minus 2x here. 1 multiplied by minus x, it will be minus x. Now change the sign. It will be cancelled out. You have minus 7x plus x, it will be minus 6x minus 3. Yes, Ishal, from which number I need to multiply, you will get minus 6x. Yes, Ishal, from which number I have to multiply? What I have to write here? If you are saying something, I can't hear you. Yes, Mustafa?
Yes, sir. So we divide minus 6x by 2x, so you would get minus 3.
Minus 3. So 2x multiplied by minus 3, it will be minus 6x. 1 multiplied by minus 3, it will be minus 3. Change the sign. So I'm going to be get, f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 into 2x squared minus x minus 3. Now let's see how to do the midterm breaking. So f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. So minus 3 multiplied by 2, it will be minus 6. Possible pairs are 1 multiplied by 6, 2 times 3 is 6. I need a negative answer, and middle term is negative as well. So bigger term is negative, smaller term is positive. So yes, Vajay, which is the suitable pair?
What, sir?
Which pair is the suitable one? Plus 1 minus 6 or plus 2 minus 3?
Uh, plus 2 minus 3.
Yes, it will be plus 2x minus 3x minus 3, because if you will add them, I'm going to be get minus x. 2x plus 1 into the first two values, I can take 2x as a common. I will get x plus 1. In the next two values, I can take minus 1 as a common. I will get x plus 1. So 2x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 1 times 2x minus. So look at here, I have to completely factorize f of x.
Sir,
Now,
you have to write minus 3 here outside the bracket.
yeah, just minus 3. So this value will be minus 3. Thank you. Yes, anyone having a question till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, again, he says that you have to find the real roots. So for the real root, obviously the first value will be 0, the second value will be 0, or the third factor will be 0. From here, I will get x is equal to minus 1 over 2, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 3 divided by 2. Alright, it is a little bit different. Now he says that we have f of x is equal to x cubed plus rx squared plus sx minus 30, given that f of 2 is equal to 0. Means if you will substitute 2, the answer will be 0. So let's substitute it. We have f of 2 is equal to x cube plus, sorry, not x cube, 2 cube plus r x square plus s x minus 30. So this value will be equal to 0. You will get 8 plus 4r plus 2s minus 30. 8 minus 30, it will be minus 22. So minus 22 will be on the side to be plus 22. So 4r plus 2s is equal to plus 22. So this is you are going to be get the first equation. So with the help of the first given information, we have find the one equation. And the second given information we have f of minus 3 is equal to minus 240. So let's use that information. Now at the place of 2, what I had to substitute? Minus 3. He says that f of minus 3 is equal to minus 240. Minus 3 cube is 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 9 times 3 is 27. Minus 27 plus 9r minus 3s minus 30. Minus 27 minus 30. It will be minus 57. So on the side will be plus 57. 9r minus 3s. Yes, please subtract them. Minus 240 plus 57.
So we subtract what?
Simplify this value. Minus 240 plus 57. That will be equal
Minus
to
183.
No, no,
minus 183. Yes, anyone having a question till here?
no, sir.
All right, now we have these two simultaneous equations. We have to solve it. The one method you have to be make the coefficient same, or the second option you have to be go for substitution method. Let's have to do the elimination method. I'm just going to multiply this equation by 3 and this equation by 2 to make the coefficient of s will be same, because 2 multiplied by 3 it will become 6 and 2 multiplied by minus 3 it will be minus 6 as well. So obviously the rest of all values are going to be changed accordingly. 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 2 is 6. Multiply them. 2 times 9 is 18, minus 2 times 3 is 6. Yes, 2 multiplied by 183.
366. 366.
366 minus 366. So this is, let's say this is a new equation, equation 3 and equation.
Sir, 366.
I write 66. Sorry. Okay, now we have this. Now we will get the same coefficients. So I need to be add the equations or subtract the equations. Have a opposite sign, so we'll add equation 3 and equation 4. Equation 3 is 12 plus 6s is equal to 66. We have 18 12r 12r plus 6s is equal to 66. 18r minus 6s is equal to minus 30. 66. This value will be cancelled out. It will become 30r is equal to minus 30, 300. So from here r will be equal to minus 10. Yes, everyone. Any question till here?
No, sir.
So I have to use the information. I'm going to be find the value of r. Now I'm going to be using any equation. By using any equation, let's say I have to use the equation 1. You can use the equation 2 as well. It's yours. Let's using the equation 1, we have 4r plus 2s is equal to 22. So substitute the value of r, that is minus 10 plus 2s. How to solve the simultaneous equation? You already learned it, okay? That's why I'm not spending more time. 4 multiplied minus 10 is minus 40. Minus 40 on the side will be plus 40. 22 plus 40, it will be 62 divided by 2. So I'm going to be get s is equal to 31. So look at here, we have find the value of r and we have find the value of x by using the given information. F of 2 is equal to 0 and f of minus 3 is equal to minus 240. Yes, anyone having a question till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, in the next part, he says that you have to factorize it. Okay, we need to be factorize it. So first of all, we need to be write the values. We have f of x will become x cube. The value of the r is minus 10. So it is minus 10x here. The value of the s is 31. So plus 31x minus 30. Now here we have some information is given. He says that f of 2 is equal to 0. F of 2 is equal to 0. What does it mean? In other words, x is equal to 2 is the root, or in other words, x minus 2
Is a factor of the fx.
is a factor. So if it is a factor, so this means that we can divide x cube minus 10x square plus 31x minus 30 by x minus 2. All right, let's divide them. Yes, and for which value I need to be multiplied, it will become x cube,
X square.
x square. X multiplied by x square, it will become x cube. Minus 2 multiplied by x square, it will be minus 2x square. Change the sign. This value will be cancelled out. Minus 10x square plus 2x square, it will be minus 8x square plus 31x as it is. Now, yes, Mustafa, from which value I have to multiply, you will get minus 8x square,
Uh,
or
minus
just
8x.
divide them. Yes, minus
8x.
8x. This is cancelled out, you will get minus 8x. Minus 8x square. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 8, it will be minus 16. X change the sign. So this value will be cancelled out. Yes, 31 plus 16, that will be
47x.
47x. Have we done any mistake? Minus 30. It's not a vector.
Yes, sir. Minus 2 times minus 8x is positive. So,
Oh, yes, because I'm saying that we are not connecting it. Okay, it is positive 16 and minus. So 31 minus 16, that will be 15x. Yes, I want. Any question till here?
Nope, sir.
Yes, Aisha, Ishal, Vajay.
Sir, when will
no,
we do
sir.
the proofs?
When we will do the,
Proofs topic.
I inform you, will do the proof after 2 hours. We have to do the next topic will be proof, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Sure. All right, now next we have 15x divided by x. So x will be cancelled out, it will be 15. So plus 15, x multiplied by 15, it will be 15x Minus 2 multiplied by 15 is minus 30, so I'm going to be getting 0. So I'm going to be get f of x is equal to x minus 2 into x square minus 8x plus 15. Now you have to still check that if you are able to do the midterm breaking, so you have to be do. Yes, Simon, is it possible to do the midterm breaking? 15 multiplied by 1, it is 15. Possible pairs are 1 into 15. 2 is not possible. 3 times 5 is 15. I need positive answer. The middle value is negative, means both answers are negative. Yes, which is the suitable pair?
Minus 3, minus 5.
Minus 3, minus 5, because if you will add them, it will be minus 8. You will multiply them, it will be 15. So I'm going to be get x minus 2 into x square minus 3x minus 5x plus 15. So x minus 2, x is common, it will be x minus 3. Minus 5 is common, it will be x minus 3. So finally, we have factorized it x minus 3 into x minus 5. Yes, everyone. Any question till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
All right then. Yes, all of you, you have approximately 7 to 8 minutes to do the question number 23. Please do it. I'm just going to be explain the question. He says that we have x plus 4 is the factor. If it is a factor, so when you will substitute x is equal to minus 4 here, so you will get the value will be equal to 0. So you will get one equation in terms of P and Q. And he says that the remainder when f of x is divided by x plus 1, you will get minus 8. So when you will substitute x is equal to minus 1 here, the remainder is minus 12. So by using the information, you will get the second equation in terms of P and Q. So they are simultaneous equations, so you have to solve it. This is exactly the same question, this one. Just the format to write the things, the format is a bit different. Yes, everyone, please do this question and send me the working. You have 7 to 8 minutes. Otherwise, I will do. Yes, everyone, you are doing.
Yes, sir, one
Yes.
second.
Yes, everyone, if you are not able to do, just let me know so I will do it. Yes, Vajakura Mustafa, you are doing.
Nearly done, sir.
Sir, I sent my answer.
Yeah, right, tools. Let me check by this one. If you have to substitute x is equal to -4. You have done. E raised to -4, 5 minus b square is 2 minus 4. Where is the rest of the values? -2q and -2.
Sir, on
Yes,
the
Suraj?
second line.
You did not write -2q.
Sir, he wrote it down, I think, like right below -2 equals 0.
Oh, you have skipped them because this is basically -22q. And
Yeah,
you have
possible.
skipped this value because this value is it is 14. You are adding something. You're doing some mistake here. You have 4 square is 16. 16 multiplied by 5 is 80 plus 16 minus 64. You did not skip the -2 as well. You have to do the mistake here in this calculation. This equation is wrong. I will do it by myself as well. When you have to substitute -1, it is 4p minus 7q is plus 11. This is correct one. The above one is wrong. Let me check some other one. Mm, this is the correct one. Where is the second equation? 4p minus 7q is equal to minus 11. This is fine as well. Q is equal to 5 and p is equal to 6. But you have to do very direct steps. However, your equation is correct. Alright, so minus 16p. Oh, you will get minus 16p. When you have to take the square of minus 4, it will become plus 16. So these value will be positive. Alright, that's why I just always recommend you when you are substituting the value, always use the bracket. And why here you are substituting minus 2 instead of minus 4? There is a mistake here. Again, same mistake. You have to substitute the brackets. Because you're not substituting the bracket, that's why you are getting the different equations. Alright? Alright, everyone. Let's have to do this question firstly. We have just few minutes left. I'm just doing the. I just make the equations and you have to solve the simultaneous equations, okay? So first we have to substitute x is equal to minus 4. So I'm going to get f of minus 4 is equal to p raised to power of minus 4 whole cube plus 5p plus 1, 5p plus 1 into minus 4 square plus 5q into minus 4 minus 2q minus 2. So this value is 0. It is minus 64p. Yes, everyone. Any question till here?
No, sir.
Plus 16 multiplied by 5, it will be 80p plus 16 minus 20q minus 2q minus 2. Yes, 80 minus 16, 64. That will be 16p minus 20 minus 2 minus 22q. 16 minus 2, it will be 14. Now, from here, I can just make the equation smaller. You have to take 2 as a common. I'm going to get 8p minus 11q plus 7. So the final answer will be 8p minus 11q is equal to minus 7. This is my equation 1 in the standard form. You have to take p first, q second, or q first, p second, okay? Now, in the same way, you have to find for the second value. For the second value, he says that x plus 1. So x, you have to substitute x is equal to minus 1. So I'm going to be get f of minus 1 is equal to p into minus 1 cube plus 5p plus 1 into minus 1 square plus 5q minus 1 minus 2q minus 2. This value is equal to minus 12, which is minus p, which is plus 1, so it will be plus 5p plus 1 minus 5q minus 2q minus 2. So minus p plus 5p, it will be 4p minus 5q minus 2q, it is minus 7q. 1 minus 2, it is minus 1. Yes, it is clear. We need to take minus 1 on the side, it will be
Yes.
plus 1. So minus 12 plus 1, it will be 4p minus 7q is equal to 11, negative 11. So this is my equation 2. Yes, anyone having a question till here? Now from here, I'm just going to be use the calculator directly to find the equations. I'm using my calculator. You have to be, obviously, you must have to know, you all of you have know that how to solve the simultaneous equations. You have 8 equal minus 11
Sir, I have
equal
a
minus
question.
7. Yes.
Sir, here if minus 12 goes to the other side, it becomes plus 12. So plus 12 minus 7 is 11, not minus 11.
I will take minus 1 on the other side and not minus 12. 4p
Okay.
minus 7q is still there. Okay, so 8 equal minus 11 equal minus 7 equal 4 equal minus 7 equal minus 11. So I'm going to get 6. First variable means p is equal to 6. And second value is 5 means q is 7. 5. So I'm going to get, you have to do the simplification. So at the end you will get p is equal to 6 and q is equal to 5. Yes, Saigon. Any question till here?